What's up everybody, it's Alice. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into tools so cleverly designed, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Whether you're a DIY diehard or just someone who appreciates a good life hack, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a tool that's near and dear to my heart, the smart screwdriver set. These aren't your grandpa's rusty old tools. We're talking sleek, ergonomic designs with interchangeable heads. Built-in LED lights? Check. Torque control? You bet. Magnetic tips? Absolutely. These sets are designed for everyone, from seasoned DIY veterans to weekend warriors. No more fumbling around in the dark or dropping screws. Trust me, once you go smart, you'll never go back. Next up, we're tackling the never-ending battle against mismatched Tupperware lids. Silicone stretch lids are here to save the day. They're flexible, durable, and can handle both hot and cold temperatures. They stretch to fit over practically any container imaginable. No more struggling to find the right lid or resorting to aluminum foil. Plus, they're reusable, which means less waste and more money in your pocket. Your kitchen and your sanity will thank you. How many times have you dropped a tiny screw or nail at the most inconvenient moment? It always seems to happen when you're in the middle of an important project, right? You're holding everything together and then, oops, there goes that tiny screw, rolling away into some unreachable corner. It's frustrating and time-consuming, and it can really throw off your momentum. The magnetic wristband is about to become your new DIY best friend. Imagine having a third hand that never lets go of your screws, nails, or drill bits. This wristband is designed to keep all your small metal objects right where you need them, making your projects smoother and more efficient. It's a wearable magnet that keeps all those small metal objects within arm's reach. No more fumbling around or losing track of those essential pieces. Whether you're up on a ladder or under the sink, everything you need is right there on your wrist, ready to be used at a moment's notice. No more crawling around on the floor searching for that elusive screw. We've all been there, wasting precious time and energy. With this wristband, you can stay focused on the task at hand, maintaining your productivity and sanity. Just slap on this wristband and you'll feel like a superhero, effortlessly summoning screws, nails, and drill bits. It's like having a magnetic force field that keeps everything you need within easy reach. No more interruptions or misplaced items. So ditch the frustration and embrace the power of magnetism with this must-have tool. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this magnetic wristband will revolutionize the way you work. Say goodbye to lost screws and hello to efficiency and convenience. It's a small investment for a big improvement in your workflow. This wristband is perfect for those tight spaces where you can't afford to drop anything. Imagine working on a ladder or under the sink without the constant worry of losing your screws or nails. It's a game changer for any project, big or small. Share the magic with your friends and family. Once they see how convenient and efficient this tool is, they'll want one too. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves DIY projects or just wants to make their life a little easier. Trust us, they'll thank you for it. Calling all bakers. The adjustable measuring spoon is here to revolutionize your baking game. It features a sliding mechanism that allows you to adjust the volume of the spoon with incredible accuracy. No more fumbling with multiple spoons or trying to eyeball measurements. This baby does it all. It's compact, easy to clean, and eliminates the need for a whole drawer full of measuring spoons. Let's be real. Nobody enjoys lugging out a heavy, corded vacuum cleaner. It's cumbersome, awkward, and often more trouble than it's worth. Whether you're dragging it up the stairs or trying to maneuver it around furniture, it can be a real hassle. The frustration of dealing with tangled cords and the sheer weight of these machines can make cleaning feel like a chore. But for every little spill, you don't need that kind of stress. That's where the cordless mini vacuum cleaner swoops in to save the day. It's perfect for those quick cleanups that don't require a full-sized vacuum. No more dragging out the big guns for a small mess. This little powerhouse is compact, lightweight, and packs a surprising punch. Despite its small size, it has powerful suction that can handle a variety of messes with ease. From crumbs to dust, it tackles it all without breaking a sweat. Crumbs on the counter? Gone. It's perfect for kitchen messes, whether it's crumbs from breakfast or flour from baking. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Pet hair on the furniture? Vanished. Pet owners will love how easily it picks up fur from couches and chairs. No more struggling with stubborn pet hair. And because it's cordless, you can say goodbye to tangled cords and limited reach. clean those hard-to-reach places without any hassle. Enjoy the freedom of movement and flexibility. So ditch the bulky vacuum and embrace the freedom and convenience of a cordless mini vacuum. It's time to make cleaning easier and more efficient, giving you more time to enjoy your clean home. Experience the future of hassle-free cleaning today. Have you ever spent what feels like an eternity trying to hang a picture straight? The laser level tool is here to banish crooked pictures and uneven shelves from your life forever. This handy gadget projects a perfectly straight laser beam, allowing you to align objects with pinpoint accuracy. So ditch the frustration of crooked lines and embrace the power of lasers. Your walls will thank you. Next up, we have a tool that's small in size but big on convenience, the collapsible sink strainer. This innovative kitchen gadget is designed to make your life easier and more organized. This little space-saving wonder is a must-have for any kitchen. Its compact design allows it to fit into the smallest of drawers, making it incredibly practical. Unlike bulky traditional strainers, the collapsible sink strainer folds down flat for easy storage. No more cluttered cabinets or struggling to find space for your kitchen tools. Use it to drain pasta, rinse fruits and vegetables, or even strain soups and broths. Its versatility is unmatched and truly impressive. You can also use it to wash delicate items like berries or leafy greens without worrying about them getting damaged. It's gentle yet effective. And because it's made from durable, heat-resistant silicone, it can handle even boiling water. Perfect for blanching vegetables or draining hot pasta with ease. So ditch those bulky strainers that take up too much space and are difficult to store. Make the smart choice. Embrace the space-saving magic of the collapsible sink strainer. It's the perfect blend of functionality and convenience, making your kitchen tasks simpler and more efficient. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. We've all been there, struggling to open a stubborn jar. The electric jar opener is here to conquer those stubborn lids once and for all. Simply place it on top of the lid, press a button, and watch as it effortlessly twists the lid off. No more struggling, no more sore hands. The electric jar opener is a true lifesaver. Last but not least, we have a tool that's a true game changer, the self-adjusting wrench. This tool adapts to different nut and bolt sizes with ease. The self-adjusting wrench automatically adjusts its jaws, eliminating the need for multiple wrenches. It's like having a whole set of wrenches in one compact tool. And there you have it, folks. 9 ingenious tools that are guaranteed to make your life easier. From the kitchen to the workshop, these gadgets are proof that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most brilliant. Go forth and upgrade your toolbox with these must-have tools. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep on tinkering.